Hello, I'm Greta Van Susteren, and here is your full court fast break. This week, the issue of Obamacare back in the Supreme Court, and the center of the dispute, once again, the constitutionality of the mandate. Listening to the justices' questions and statements during the oral argument, many are guessing, but only guessing, that the Supreme Court could reject the GOP's latest bid to repeal the Affordable Care Act. 5 out of the 9 justices are hinting by their questions and statements that they support leaving most of the law intact. But before we get to that, a quick look at how we got here. In 2012, the Supreme Court upheld the law with a 5-4 vote, with Chief Justice John Roberts surprising the conservatives and voting with the liberal arm of the court. The key issue then was whether the individual mandate in the statute was constitutional or not. Chief Justice Roberts, writing for the majority, held that requiring people to buy health insurance with the individual mandate was a constitutional exercise of Congress's taxing power. This was a loss for the GOP. Then in 2017, Congress passed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. With this new law, the individual mandate, a tax penalty, was legislatively reduced to 0, thereby eliminating it. And that's where the new dispute arose. Now some states, led by Texas, argue that without the mandate, the remaining part of the Affordable Care Act is unconstitutional as an improper use of Congress's taxation powers. They insist none of the statute should be enforced, and in essence, it should be tossed out. Other states, led by California, disagree. These other states argue that even with the elimination of the individual mandate, the rest of the law should still stand and should be enforced. Chief Justice Roberts and Justice Kavanaugh seem to agree, as do the 3 liberal justices, which would mean 5-4 the law would be upheld. But we won't know for sure until the court issues its decision. Justice Roberts did note at the hearing that Congress did not try to repeal the rest of the act when it slashed the tax penalty to 0. He says Congress wanted the court to do that, but that's not the court's job. Want more full court press? Tune in Sunday. We bring politics home, covering the national stories that impact you.